Hi everyone, welcome back to GridPro. In today's video, we'll explore different corner creation options in GridPro and how they can be used for efficient topology creation. For this demonstration, we will use a finite wing enclosed in a cylindrical domain. A tutorial on grid generation for this case is already available, which can be accessed from the link in the description. In this tutorial, we will discuss different corner creation options using two topology building approaches. Top-down approach. In the top-down approach, we first capture the larger aspects of the model before capturing the smaller details. Here first, we will create the topology for the wing domain, which will later be extended to capture the wing itself. First, align the work plane to the domain wall using the center option. Click on Corner. Create on Work Plane will be selected as the default option. As you can see, corners are being created on the work plane without links, so we need to link them manually. Instead, we can select With Edges option. This automatically creates one-to-one connected links as we create corners. Copy these corners to the opposite domain wall using the work plane to fully enclose the domain. Perform a boundary wrap to capture the wing surface. We will get a valid topology once the topology sheets are assigned to the respective sheets. Refer to the tutorial and description to get a valid topology from here. 2. Bottom-up approach. In the bottom-up approach, we first define smaller features before extending the topology to cover larger features like the domain. Creating corners directly on the surface is particularly useful for this approach, especially when generating topology for finer details in certain cases. Select Create Corners on the surface with the Links option enabled. Make the desired surface current where we will create the corners. Here we will start creating corners on the wing surface. Wrapping the corner sheet will create topology for the domain. Move the corners on the screen for better positioning. And copy the sheet to the opposite wall of the domain. Valid topology will be generated once the topology sheets are assigned to the respective sheets. This way, we have generated the topology for the wing by creating the corners on the surface. Additional corner creation option. Specify coordinates. If the geometry's exact coordinates are known, we can use the Specify option to create corners at precise locations. We hope this video helps you create topologies efficiently by choosing the right corner creation method based on your geometry. If you have questions, feel free to contact support at gridpro.com. Thanks for watching.